Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I'm about to finish my basic makeup look for the day, and this is the best palette for just an everyday look. It is the Tarteist Pro to Go from Tarte, and it has a little mirror, which is really convenient to have, but it also has these amazing colors that are just great for everyday wear. I pretty much use all the colors from lightest to darkest in just layers, lots of blending, lots of patting, and I like to put the darker colors in the crease there, but it just applies so well. And another plus is that the whole palette smells like chocolate, but that's besides the point. The makeup is great and lasts a long time. And I like to use this color right here for under my eyelids for like a smoky look, kind of like an eyeliner look. So there you have it. This is my basic everyday eyeshadow look with the use of this Tarte palette. I highly recommend it if you just want something small to be able to travel with, or just to use on an everyday basis. This is a really great palette to have, and that's my point of view.